about 30 miles an hour, 35, 6th gear, 40 miles an hour, open visor, and I'm sure I'm picking up a lot of wind. But again, this is an audio test with video with the GoPro. Again, assuming that this is actually recording, because I don't know, I haven't tested the mic to see if it's actually working. It is plugged in, so we're assuming it's recording. Alright. Now visor closed, locked, and we'll see how the audio responds now with the visor closed and locked. 35 miles an hour, 5th gear, 40, doing pretty good. 5th gear, 40 miles an hour, and picking up a little bit of wind, not a lot, but I'm sure the mic will pick it up because it has no wind guard. Alright, red light, 0 miles, intersection, visor still closed, and we'll see how the audio turns out. And we're just waiting. Green light. Here we go. Doing 5th gear, 45 miles an hour, 6th gear, 50 miles an hour, visor closed, audio still testing, recording. Yep, red light. You got red light. Alright. Turning left, turning right, and still talking, visor closed, sun in my face, doing 45 miles an hour in 6th gear. So far so good. We'll see how this audio turns out. We're gonna make a U-turn here in a minute and record again with the visor open all the way back down. I think we can do a U-turn here. Alright, to stop, and open up the visor. Alright, visor is closed but not locked, so we still got air. I'm gonna make a U-turn here real quick and start recording with the visor closed but not locked. Let's see how this audio works out. Alright, we're doing 50, 55, 5th gear. Visor closed but not locked. We got 6th gear, 45 miles an hour on a 35 mile an hour zone. So again, just for testing audio and the wind noise. Again, see how this mic does. It's all this. What all this is, just a test, audio test really. And the mic has no wind guard yet. The visor is closed but not locked. We're doing 40 miles an hour in 6th gear. We're slowing down to red light and still recording, so there we go. Green light. I got a car in front of me, so I gotta go slow. Going 33 miles an hour, 4th gear. Oh, excuse me. Coming up to a stop sign. Slow down. How about some revs? Yep, nice revs. We gotta stop. There we go. an hour, 5th gear. Visor closed but not locked. And got a lot of wind.